You know, I saw someone the other day. His hair was painted green, and on his arm he had the strangest tattoo I've ever seen. It said, WWJD, what would Jesus do? Well, for one thing, I don't think that he'd be wearing a tattoo. Oh, things are getting mighty weird. Yes, they are. Things are getting mighty weird. Lord, don't you think it's time we were getting out of here? For things are getting mighty weird. They now have drive-through funeral homes. Say goodbye from your automobile. Some folks pay their last respects, and some just want a happy meal. If the founding fathers were here, they'd say, now let us get this straight. You elected a professional wrestler to be the governor of your state? Folks, things are getting mighty weird. Things are getting mighty weird. Lord, don't you think it's time we were getting out of here? For things are getting mighty weird. It's true our morals are declining. Each year they lower another notch. 400 channels on TV and hardly any fit to watch. The depraved are just encouraged, wicked appetites are fed. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if God looked down on us and said that things are getting mighty weird. Yes, things are getting mighty weird. Gabriel, blow your horn, it's time to bring my people here. For things are getting mighty